Warts are small, benign skin growths that can occur anywhere on the body, often appearing on the hands, feet, and face. They are caused by the human papillomavirus, HPV, and can be unsightly and bothersome. While warts are generally harmless, many individuals seek ways to remove them due to cosmetic concerns. In this video, we will explore the causes of warts and provide a natural remedy utilizing baking soda, castor oil, and toothpaste to help you bid farewell to these pesky skin blemishes. Warts are caused by various strains of HPV that infect the outer layer of the skin, resulting in rapid cell growth. The virus can enter the body through small cuts or abrasions, making it more likely to develop warts in those areas. Factors that contribute to the development of warts include weakened immunity, frequent skin contact, and public places like swimming pools or showers where the virus thrives. While there are several medical treatments available for wart removal, they can be costly and invasive. Many individuals prefer natural remedies that are gentle, affordable, and can be easily done at home. Here is a simple yet effective recipe to remove warts naturally. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon castor oil, 1 teaspoon toothpaste, preferably one containing baking soda. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Instructions: begin by thoroughly cleansing the affected area with mild soap and warm water. Pat the skin dry gently. In a small bowl, combine the baking soda, castor oil, and toothpaste. Mix well to form a smooth paste. Apply the paste directly onto the wart, ensuring complete coverage. Use a cotton swab or clean finger for precise application. Once applied, cover the wart with a bandage or medical tape to keep the paste in place. Leave the mixture on the wart overnight or for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours. In the morning, remove the bandage and rinse the area with warm water. Gently exfoliate the treated area with a pumice stone or an emery board to remove any dead skin cells. Baking soda, castor oil, and toothpaste all possess properties that aid in wart removal. Baking soda acts as an exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and gradually eliminate the wart. Its alkaline nature also creates an unfavorable environment for the virus, hindering its growth. Castor oil possesses antimicrobial properties and is believed to stimulate the immune system, assisting in the elimination of the virus. Toothpaste containing baking soda adds an extra exfoliating effect, helping to slough off the wart over time. Precautions and additional tips: prior to applying any home remedy, it is advisable to do a patch test on a small area of healthy skin to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction. It's important to keep the affected area clean and dry to prevent the spread of the virus and promote healing. If the wart persists or shows sign of infection, it is recommended to consult a healthcare professional. Avoid picking, scratching, or biting warts, as this can increase the risk of spreading the virus to other parts of the body or to other people. Remember to exercise patience and consistency when using natural solutions, as results may vary from person to person. If warts persist or worsen, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and advice.